Okay, welcome back. So this one is the BloodKnot, and this attaches your fly line to your leader. And I should probably use a piece of different colored stuff so you can see what's going on there. Okay, so in this one, you have your, no. Okay, I lied. This isn't your fly line. This is your leader, and this is your tippet, the smaller diameter stuff that actually ties to your fly. So, I'll show you the other knot to attach your fly line to your leader in a minute on another video. But this one, let's get that down tight so it doesn't go anywhere. This one, so this is your leader, this is your tippet. So what we want to do is cross them, and I typically do 7 turns. It's the strongest, unless the diameter of the line is large enough that it'll bundle up and like do a rat's nest thing on you. But that's usually so heavy that you won't be fly fishing with it unless you're in the salt water. So 7 wraps is the standard on this one. So start with a cross and just start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeesh, that's gonna be short. Let's pull that out a little bit. Okay, so cross it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and on the 7th one, you see you've got this kind of Y here. You want to put the tag end of your tippet in between those, pointed up. Right, so you're just going to put it right in the crotch of that thing, so that's pointed up. And you also see the direction of rotation on that bottom piece of leader. You want to alternate. You want to go opposite that on the other wrap, so that you make a loop basically like this when you come under. So you want to do 7 on this side too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now with this one, and hopefully, let me just make sure it doesn't fray everywhere. So on this one, what we want to do is go the opposite direction through that hole, that crotch hole that we made with the other piece. It's going up, so we want the other piece to go down. So through the same hole, but it's going down. So you've got kind of this X looking configuration. And so what you'll do with your actual material, because it's mono, you want to wet it with spit so that the friction while the knot is twisting and rolling over itself, so it doesn't damage the material, because there's actually a lot of heat that builds up in those knots when you're pulling them down. So this one, you just alternate a lot like the other one. You just pull on the tag ends, and you pull until you've got enough material and it's close enough that you can give it a good final yank on both sides. It's a little smoother with mono too, but anyway. So it basically will cinch down on both sides, and those tag ends are going to be sticking straight out opposite sides. So you've got a barrel, like little roll of dimes looking pile on this side and another bundle on this side, and in the middle you've got those 2 tag ends. And like the other knot too, you can trim this one really, really close to the knot, because the strength is inside the knot, not in the tag ends. And this one especially, you want this one to be able to go through the guides really smoothly. And if you have those tag ends a little too long, they can snag plants and snag on the guides and get caught on rocks and stuff and cause other problems. So anyway, that's how to attach your leader, larger piece of mono, to your tippet, your smaller piece of mono, and it's a real nice, smooth, slim knot that goes through the guides very smoothly. Okay, so we got a couple more knots coming. I'll see you on the next video.